In this lesson, we'll learn a new kiwaha, or idiom we can use when we're feeling proud. Our kiwaha for this lesson is Poho Kereru. It literally translates to like a wood pigeon's chest. When we are proud, sometimes we pump our chest out like a kereru. This kiwaha was created by Mataia Kepa, and despite it being relatively new, it's become a very popular kiwaha in the Māori language. Whaturua is the traditional term for when a kereru is full of miroberries and their puku, stomach, and poho, chest, are full. But Poho Kereru is a way we can exercise our creative license. Next time you feel proud, make sure to use Poho Kereru. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.